I saw a post where someone said that you are not going to go viral if you want TikTok adverts. In this video, I will be addressing what the person refused to talk about, why an ad running TikTok advert may affect if your other post will do well or not. Also, how to avoid that. Positioning yourself in a way that even if you run TikTok advert, your content might still go viral. Let's jump right in. Why did the person say once you run advert, your post will not go viral organically? Then let's say on an average, your post will do like 5,000 views. After TikTok advert, it might start doing 2,000 views till you run adverts. Now, that is logical. One thing I wanted to know is all social media platforms are here to make money. They are not here solely because of you and your interest. Everyone is selfish at the end of the day. The only reason why your TikTok post might never go viral again if you run adverts is only if you switch from personal account to business account. I actually mentioned this briefly when I did my detailed video on how to run TikTok advert and get results. Switching from a personal account, and this applies to all platforms, Instagram, Facebook, all platforms. Once you switch from personal to business, you are telling TikTok that I am on this app to make money. So if they are aware that you are on this app to make money and you are packing money, they would not push your content organically till you now give them money to push your content, because you are making money and you do not want them to make money. Who does that? Where is that done? You want free visibility for your business. What you can do, or what I would advise you to do, is do not switch to a business account. If you have been using a personal account just to maintain it, the fantastic thing about TikTok is even with a personal account you can run adverts. Even with a personal account you can even run adverts for other people. I can choose to promote a content for you with my money. I may make another video talking about that if I have time. Then I'm going to break it down for you in a simple analogy that I think that you can be able to relate with. If you are a lady and you get married, they handed you over to your husband. After that, some responsibilities shift away from your parents, like feeding you. For instance, when I was in uni, daddy would send me money or monthly upkeep, food money. Since I've gotten married, what is business with food money? I have declared myself that I am willing and able to stand on my own, and I am now under the tutelage of my husband. So that is the same thing with TikTok. If you can declare and say, oh, I am a business, okay, that means you have money. And TikTok will be like, bring it. Please hit the like button, as it goes a long way in telling the algorithm this is a good content which you would agree with me, so that it can be pushed to more people like you that need to see this content. Thank you so much for your help. I really do appreciate that. However, if I'll be sincere with you, there are some features that may be on the business, if you switch to business, that are not personal, but I don't think they are anything that they are like a big deal. Most of the features are available for both accounts, both personal and business. It is only a little difference that you would see. Also, this is the platform. The algorithm can't be that predictable. You can also switch to a business account and it still do well. It doesn't matter. But most times, talking from experience of what has happened on other platforms like Instagram, Facebook, like I have a personal page, the Roslyn. If I make a post, it has just 1,000 followers, and if I make a post on, it has an average of 1,000 views. A few times below, or most times it is 1,000 views. But my business page, I have 13,000 followers at the point of making this video, and when we make a post, it still average that same 1,000 view. A personal page of 1,000 followers is doing. So we have to push harder and pay for adverts so that our content can be seen. TikTok adverts directly has nothing with you on going viral or them pushing your content organically. It has something with you saying, I am now a business, I am making money off your app. So if you are making money off their app, except if you're a greedy person, they expect that you bring money. In fact, even if you are greedy, they will collect the money by force. In this playlist where I spoke about everything TikTok advert, best content for TikTok advert, step by step, the important things you should do before running adverts, how to run adverts that would convert. Click here, watch, and enjoy. Thank you for watching. I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.